Every video that I've made saying that I'm wrong, it's never really been about the price per se. It's always been about the timeline. And I don't like predicting timelines in a speculative market. I know a lot of people ask for it and say, do you believe that it's going to get to this price by 2026 or 2030? And honestly, they are just opinions. If you don't get out of the drawer, what are you doing? Why? Get out the drawer. She She had her whole hand and head in the drawer. Anyways, um, where was I at? I don't like predicting the timelines of things, right? But I've had videos saying that I'm wrong. And any time that I am wrong about these timelines, about what I believe is going to happen, I will talk about it. So let's have a discussion on 2025 and whether we were going to see that major bull run and different price predictions for XRP, for Jasmine Coin, for Terra Luna Classic, for many other positions that I do hold. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. Get out of the drawer! What are you doing? And also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I don't know why she's in there. She's tripping. And if you guys want to check out my links for BTCC, feel free to do so. That link is at the top of the description. If you specifically use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus. Extra bonuses up to $10,055. I see her starting to creep up. She's starting to creep up right there. I know what she's doing. I don't know what to do. Yeah, I see you. Stop playing around. What are you looking at that's in there? Give me 1 second. Let me. Ah, there's cat food in there. I see what they're doing. There's cat food in there. So it's not happening today. Nope, not today, silly goose. All right. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out my link for BTCC down below. If you specifically use my link, you'll join the giveaway of that, right? If you sign up, deposit, and trade and use that link while you're doing so, you will be entered to win 500 USDC or USDT. Two winners can win that, and yeah, so feel free to use that link. It's at the top of the description. Anyways, I wanted to talk about the fact that I am wrong, right? The crypto market isn't at its highest point, right? It isn't at a $5 trillion market cap, a $10 trillion market cap. We're not seeing XRP at a level of $10, $20. We're not seeing Bitcoin up in the plus 100 plus $1,000 level and many other things that we were hoping to see altcoin season happen at the end of 2025. If you don't know, in October is where the downturn really started happening. We expected to see an October, and we didn't, right? We saw an October that wasn't bullish. We saw a November that wasn't bullish, and we're seeing a December that isn't really bullish either. The current market, let me go ahead and move this out of the way because it's kind of in my way. The current market is sitting at, it just seems like everything is just messed up here. The current market is sitting at a $3.02 trillion market cap with a, let's see, the fear and greed index sitting at 29. Altcoin season, it's at 16, so it's nowhere near altcoin season. And the average crypto RSI is sitting at about 51, almost 52 on the chart. If we look at Bitcoin, that's at a $89,000 price point. Ethereum's at a $3,000 price point. Tether, $1. That's or almost $1. BNB, it's not at the $1,200, $1,300 mark anymore. XRP is sitting at a $2 price point, $193 to be more specific. Solana at 127. You see Dogecoin at 13 cents. You see Chainlink at 12, almost $13. Litecoin at $78. Avalanche at $12.38. HBAR at 11 cents. Chronos at less than 10 cents. So you see the picture here. Where we were maybe in the beginning of 2025, and all of the growth that we've seen within altcoins has pulled back. We're not seeing that level of growth that we expected to see. Altcoin season, we're still waiting for that to happen. As we're waiting around, many people believe that we will not see that happen. Now, I still believe we're going to see altcoin season. It's just 2025 doesn't seem like it's it. We've been, waiting for a long time since 2021, where things really started to, pull back, and then Bitcoin started to rise at the end of 2023, and we were hoping to see altcoin season maybe in the end of 2024 or even in 2025, but we didn't, right? We haven't seen altcoins explode to the level that we expected to see them explode. So with that being said, as I've made a bunch of videos looking for the fourth quarter to be insanely bullish, looking for XRP to hit higher levels of a $200 billion market cap. Now, while I wasn't wrong to say that those things happen, right? BNB rose to a ridiculous level, over $100 billion market cap, damn near approaching a $200 billion market cap. You have Bitcoin that's rising. You have altcoins like Ethereum that reaches a new all-time high slightly, but does. You have XRP again that sees hundreds of percent of gains. Jasmine coin that sees those level of gains, right? You see all of those things that have happened. It's just we haven't experienced the overall output of altcoins and where we expect altcoin season to take all of us. Because Chronos is supposed to get to a level of $1, right? And that's not even the highest level. So getting to a level of 50 cents would have been a no-brainer. We got to about 34 cents, I think it was. 34, 36, something like that. You don't have the large output for Litecoin, the large output for ADA, or the large output for Cosmos, and so on and so forth. You have a lot of things that are at lowish levels, not the lowest possible levels, but still at lowish levels. So that breakout that we expected to see did not happen. So I'll admit, for those timelines, I was wrong, right? To say that we would see altcoin season at least start in 2025, we haven't seen that happen. I can say pieces of it where we see some of the major altcoins that have moved quite a bit, but we want to see everything or most things in the market that are taking those leaps, that are going to levels of 10 and 20 and 50 and even getting closer to $100 billion. We haven't seen those. So yes, was wrong about that. Does that mean that I sell all my crypto and I don't see it through? No, because I'm seeing it through for price reasons, not for timeline reasons. Timeline reasons are mainly like, I want to make money now. I want to be able to, pay this off or do that or do that. It's not what I'm looking for. I know people want those timelines, but it's so difficult to predict a speculative market. When you have markets that are predictable, right? When you have what cryptocurrency was versus what it is, what it was maybe something that, yes, moved unpredictably, right? Where you didn't know exactly how far something was going, but you knew that a bull market or the bullish season and bearish season, those would come and go within, that 4-year cycle, right? For where we are now, we have so much positivity as well as some negativity, sprinkled in negativity. We have some skepticism. We have a lot of people that believe in it. There's so much that's going for it in a positive note that people thought there's no way this doesn't absolutely explode. Well, usually when people think it's a guarantee, the opposite does happen. So it's tough. I still believe that we'll see altcoin season in 2026. However, if we still have that strong belief where people are holding and just waiting around for that to happen rather than buying into the markets, we may not see that transpire. I still believe that it will happen, but there's always that doubt that creeps in. So just wanted to put this video out saying that I am wrong. I've been wrong plenty of times, but just because I'm wrong doesn't mean I'm not profitable. And just because, I'm wrong doesn't mean you can't be profitable either, right? There's so much opportunity out there in the market, in the crypto market. And I hope that you are able to see all that opportunity, benefit from that opportunity. And right now, especially as you look at the further opportunity you can have with lower prices, this is a no-brainer, right? But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I have to go do something with this drawer because apparently there's a bunch of cat food. Well, it's not open, but I'm sure they can get into it. So I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.